Hey, Pastor Karl here from Kidology.org, and I'm so excited that you have downloaded or are about to download the Riddle Me series. It's a super fun series filled with riddles, filled with jokes, filled with puzzles, and inside of it you will find some giant versions of a couple of the puzzles. Now, when you download it, it's going to look like this, all right? And you're going to wonder, how in the world do I put this together? And so I want to do a quick tutorial for you, right? You'll notice in the corners that there are some cut marks, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut off not all four sides, because then when you try and tape it together, it's not going to go as easily as it should, right? You're going to cut off the top and the right side of every sheet of paper. The reason you don't cut off all four sides is then when you're trying to line them up, they're not going to overlap, right? You can cut off all four sides. They're marked on all four sides, but having done this many times, I've learned if you cut off the same sides of every sheet, then they'll overlap and they'll go together a lot easier. So I'm going to demonstrate. I've got my tape, I've got my paper cutter, or you can do it with scissors, and I'm going to show you how to put this together. So on all of these sheets, I'm going to cut off the top, the right side, and I don't do them all at once. I do them one at a time, so I'm going to speed up the video and the editing, and then I'm going to tape it all together and show you what this will look like when it is all put together. Are you ready? Here we go. Lines up, right? Line, and cut. Now that I've cut off the top, I'm going to cut off the right side. And after I cut each one, I'm turning it over this way to keep it in order. Now we're going to put it together. Now when I first tape it, I just tape it a little bit up here. Oops. And the next one is going to go here. There we go. Once I like it, I'm going to put just a little bit of tape on it. And then what I do is I flip it over. Woo! Carefully. And I go crazy with the tape on the back. And there you go. And you can tape it on the front, but if it's like the crossword puzzle one where the kid's going to be writing, you want to put more of the tape on the back. But there you have a giant version of the puzzle. The kids will really enjoy it. It also helps for holding it up in front of the class, or when they're done, putting it up on the wall. Hope you enjoy these giant versions of the puzzles. The kids will like it, and it also makes a great souvenir. You can also give it away as a prize that a kid can take home and put up in their room. Thanks for using Riddle Me. Would love to see your pictures of the kids using these giant puzzles. Post them in our Kidology Facebook group. Just go to kidology.org/Facebook. That'll redirect you right to our Facebook group. Can't wait to see your pictures and hear your feedback about the Riddle Me series, the mysterious sayings of Jesus, and hear about the impact it has on the kids at your church. Thanks so much.